Find and Replace is a feature found in Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. The dialog for it can be opened from the Edit menu in any one of these applications. This video, from OS College, gives an introduction to the dialog in Google Docs. The dialogs in the three applications have key differences from each other. In Docs, click the Edit menu. Then click the Find and Replace item to launch the Find and Replace dialog. The dialog has a Find text box and a Replace with text box. It also has three checkboxes: Match Case, Match using regular expressions, and Ignore Latin diacritics. These checkboxes will change the results produced from what is in the Find text box. For finding text, type a string of characters in the Find text box. The string can include characters, numbers, and symbols. As you type, matching characters visible in the document will be highlighted. In the Find box, it will show the total number of matching strings available in the document. This is the second number, located after of. The number preceding of is the ordinal number of the matching string in the document. For example, if 36 of 43 is in the Find text box, 36 shows that the 36th instance of the string in the document is selected. These numbers change as you add to the string. The selected string is highlighted in dark green. Other matching strings are highlighted in a lighter green. Clicking the Previous and Next buttons at the bottom of the dialog cycle through the matches. As mentioned before, the checkboxes change the results. Click Match Case and the results that don't exactly match the capitalization of the string in Find text box will no longer be included. For the second checkbox, there are codes, called expressions, that can be typed in the Find and Replace with text boxes that represent things. A check in this checkbox will direct Google Docs to perform Find and Replace with using those expressions. For example, / and the letter D in parentheses will find dates in the document. The third checkbox is Ignore Latin diacritics. A check in this box means that strings of text that include Latin symbols will be included in the search results. To replace any of the strings that Google Docs found, type the desired string in the Replace with text box. If you want to replace each instance of the string in the Find text box, click the Previous and Next buttons until the string you want is highlighted. Then click the Replace button. Repeat until all the desired instances of the string have been replaced. For example, I only want to replace the last instance of gravel with cyclocross. I type cyclocross in the Replace with text box. Then I click the Next button until the last gravel is selected. Then I click the Replace button. If you want to replace every instance of the string, simply click the Replace All button after typing a string or expression in search, and typing the desired string in the Replace with text box. For example, I will replace the two instances of gravel with cyclocross. This is the heading and the word in the table. After typing cyclocross in the Replace with text box, I click the Replace All button. This video, from OS College, has been an overview of finding and replacing text in a Google Docs document. These instructions could also be applied to Google Sheets and Google Slides. However, the Find and Replace dialogs differ in each one. The video is on several social media sites, including the OS College Facebook and MeWe pages. It is also on YouTube. If you are watching on YouTube, be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notifications of newly posted videos about various applications and Linux distros. There are more videos about Google Docs and other applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are even more videos, articles, and other information about various applications and operating systems on oscollege.com. Thank you for watching.